You cannot learn how to be an actor on your own, but you can learn how to adapt your acting for the camera by yourself in the comfort of your own home. Hi, I'm Ruggero Dalla. I'm an award-winning director based in London. I trained as an actor myself at East 15 Acting School, and over the past 9 years, I directed over 600 actors on camera. By doing that, I learned that there are some techniques which are extremely important for actors to master if they want to effectively adapt their acting for the camera. However, unfortunately, those techniques are never really taught. People just say, you'll pick it up on the job, and frankly, I don't agree. I think those skills are what makes a difference between getting the job and not getting the job, or making the final cut and not making the final cut. So I created Unboxing Screen Acting. In this step-by-step course, I will take you through a series of lessons and exercises that will give you specific and actionable tools that will make your performance camera-friendly and editor-friendly. Volume 1 is available now, and it deals with how to create a relationship with the audience through the lens, how to use volume effectively to create a feeling of intimacy with the public, how to make sure that you remain natural and spontaneous in spite of the pressure of the set, how to create an engaging vocal delivery, and much, much more. The aim of the course is to give you the skills to feel completely in control of your performance, so that next time you find yourself in front of a camera, whether it's for a self-tape, an audition, or an actual role in a movie, you will know exactly what to do. So check out the link below for your first free lesson, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.